Hi everyone, welcome back to our Python 0 to Hero series. We have successfully completed one of the most important chapters in Python, that is strings. There we have learned how to create strings, access characters, slice them, format them, compare them, clean them, and even make them look beautiful. But now we have a small problem. What if I want to store not one value, not two values, but hundreds of values? Imagine storing names of all your classmates. Are we really going to do this? Like student 1, if I say equal to, and Aman. Okay. And student 2, if I like to say Raj. Okay, and student 3, if I like to say, student 3, if I would like to say Rohit. Student 4, if I like to say Neha. Student 5, if I like to say Simran. Okay. Nope. Python has much smaller solution, and that solution is called list. What is list? Think about your shopping basket. When you go to shopping, you don't carry 10 separate bags for 10 items. You put everything into one basket, like fruits, vegetables, chips, biscuits, drinks, everything, like in one basket. Everything goes into single containers. A Python list works exactly the same. It allows us to store multiple values inside one variable. Let me take example. Let's take fruits. If I talk about, then inside fruits there are apple, comma, banana, comma, and mango. Okay, and close it. Here the variable name is fruits, and inside it we have three different values. Much cleaner, much easier, and much smarter. Now, do you ever thought, why do we need list? Imagine Instagram, a user may have hundreds of posts. Exactly. And same in Netflix, thousands of movies are in one platform. Take your contacts, hundreds of phone numbers are saved in a single contact. List help us manage collections of data efficiently. Without list, coding would become a nightmare. A small definition. Write it down. List help us to manage collections of data efficiently. Got it? Without list, coding would become a nightmare. Now, let's create some list for your example. Let's take numbers equal to, and inside it 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now let's close this. Now let's take some names like Rohit, Raj, and Simran. Now close this bracket, and let's talk about some mixed list. Let's take some mixed list. Let's take Raj here, comma, and let's take some value. Raj is 22 years old. Yes, true, 99.5. See, list can store different data types together: strings, numbers, booleans, even other lists. Python is very flexible. Now let's print mixed. Oh, mixed. And let's take the index number 0, right, and close the bracket. And now let's see what will going to print here. Raj. I guess you got it, because we have mentioned print mixed at the index number 0, and on 0 index number it is Raj. 0, 1, 2 and 3, and 0 on 0 index number Raj is there, right? Clear? Just like strings, list also use indexing, and as you know, Python starts counting from 0. Yes, Python still refuses to start from 1. Yes, exactly. So I guess it is good. Let's move ahead. List slicing. Have you heard about list slicing? Remember string slicing? We have talked about in our previous video. Yeah, list supports slicing too. If I take fruits, and inside fruits, if I talk about apple, banana, mango, and let's take one more thing, orange, and close this. If I print fruits, sorry, spelling mistake, fruits, and if I say 1, 2, 3, what will be the output? I'm sorry, let me close this. What will be the output? 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0, 1, 2 and 3. Let's see. Banana and mango. Banana and mango. It is taking 1 to 3. It is taking index number 1, 2, that's it, not 3, because we are slicing it. Got it? Starts from index number 1, stops before index number 3. Exactly like string. One more important thing, unlike strings, lists are mutable. Fancy words, simple meaning, they can be changed. Let's say if I print this, and if I say fruit 1, okay, and on 1, if I say orange, let's make this O capital, orange, and now print fruits. What will be the output according to you? Basically, it replaced the string on index number 1 with this string. Okay, apple, banana, instead of banana, it replaced orange, mango, and orange. Clear? It's like Python is saying, sure boss, I will update it with this syntax. I guess it is pretty clear. Let's talk about length of list. Again, if I take this string, fruits is equal to apple, banana, mango and orange, and if I talk about print len and fruits, then I guess you all are aware of the output. 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? It is very useful when dealing with large list. Got it? Let's give you a quick exercise. Create a list of your 3 favorite movies, then print first movie, right, second movie, last movie, and then total number of movies. Okay, Please try to complete this exercise in your free time. For sure, you will enjoy it. Let's recap what all things we have learned today. What lists are, why lists are needed, creating list, indexing, list slicing, modifying list, finding length, and this is just the beginning. In the next video, we will learn the real power of list. Methods like append, insert, remove, pop, sort, reverse, clear. Trust me, that's where lists become truly powerful. So if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe and comment below. I completed list part 1. I will see you in the next video of Python 0 to Hero. Until then, keep coding, keep learning and keep unlocking your potential with Python. Thank you.